Private Dots. Now finally inside, set to go now, race number 3. Says out Precious Jewel, Mark Jason Hill moving a party outside, Private Thoughts. Then followed over down on the inside by Lasting Rose. Next in line, Asikaso, Chip Kip Sosa, Waves Magic and Misty Loy. Mark Jason Hill by our Hapalenga. Private Thoughts on the outside, Precious Jewel is racing in third. Down on the inside for the Lasting Rose, in the middle, Chip Kip Sosa, Asikaso. Then followed over by Waves Magic and a long way back to Misty Loy. And it's still Mark Jason Hill by about Hapalenga. Private Thoughts is on the outside, second, racing in third, Precious Jewel. Chip Kip Sosa is down in fourth, and in fifth, Lasting Rose, Asikaso, Waves Magic, and Misty Loy still racing in last. Mark Jason Hill still the leader by a line. Private Thoughts on the outside, Precious Jewel. Chip Kip Sosa still in fourth. Mark Jason Hill, Private Thoughts on the outside, second. Chip Kip Sosa in third, Precious Jewel with Mark Jason Hill still in front. Private Thoughts still in second, Chip Kip Sosa in third. Mark Jason Hill, Private Thoughts on the outside, Chip Kip Sosa. As they come down to the last of the day, Mark Jason Hill, Private Thoughts on the outside, Chip Kip Sosa. Mark Jason Hill, Private Thoughts, giving the final burst of energy on the outside. Now moving up on the outside, Mark Jason Hill, Private Thoughts, and finally it's Private Thoughts, Mark Jason Hill, then comes Chip Kip Sosa, 6.
Okay, Bayang Karibisa, para dito sa inyong pangatlong karera. Talaga namang nakakabang. Ating pong unofficial winner dyan, numero 9, Private Thoughts. With JB Guse, sa segundo numero 8, Mark Jason Hill. Dehado to. At yung numero 3, Chip Kip Sosa. Sa inyong quartet, papasok numero 6, Precious Jewel. Medyo nabitin tayo sa ating pentafecta, pero ari muna pong balikan ang replay.